Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can withdraw Toncoin in your Telegram wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now inside your Telegram wallet, you want to go ahead and click on the send button. And from here, we have some options. You have your bank card, you have your P2P market, and external wallet. You can just go ahead and choose the external wallet, and in here you want to select Toncoin. Now right after, you can just go ahead and choose which account do you want to withdraw your Toncoin with. You can go ahead and withdraw your Toncoin from somewhere like OKX, Binance, Crypto.com, and more. Basically, you want to go ahead and grab those specific addresses to our Telegram wallet, and you want to input those address from OKX, Binance, and more through our Telegram wallet in order to receive that Toncoin into our Binance, where we can go ahead and withdraw our money. So guys, in that way, you will be able to withdraw Toncoin on your Telegram wallet. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.